movie to direct this year also?
Well, there are talks. There are talks of doing the last Marcos movie and do it as a 16-episoder series for Netflix. I don't know yet dun sa kanilang talks, no? Kung yung last, yung Mabuhay Alaw Mabuhay ay magiging series. Hindi ko pa alam kasi hindi ako nakaka-attend ng meetings and everything. But there's one baby project that I've been bugging Tita June Rufino about and Boss Vincent and Boss Vic. Meron akong isang gustong gawing pelikula na medyo nakakagulat yung project pero hindi pa nila ako binibigyan ng definitive answer, pero doing that film it will really make me happy at makakahinga ako dito sa politika, sa trabaho. Just wanna do that film. Hindi ko pa lang pwedeng sabihin kung ano, pero sana matuloy. But I have a lot of endorsement shoots, tapos social media wise madami, so sana makapag-shoot ako ng munting pelikula. Yun lang.
Any update naman po sa